What is up, guys? Welcome to the Tech Hub. I'm Aldo, and in today's video I bought this Samsung C49G9 40 SSR on eBay, and the reason why the person was selling it was that it was just being used and then there was just a black screen. So I decided to buy it and see how it goes, so that I actually changed my current monitor to this one. So as you can see, it is a curved monitor. Yeah, so NVIDIA G-Sync actually is a gaming monitor, so 49 curved inch. So I put my machine on and tried connecting the HDMI cable to it. So as you can see here, it is actually blinking that it is in sleep mode or something. So I put it on, and then all I get is a black screen. Nothing comes. So I just connect the HDMI cable. So I hear a sound from the PC, but it's not connecting. So currently I have connected two monitors. One is working and then this one is not. So all I see is a black screen. That's a little bit similar to what I had with this particular one before. I used a solution tape trick to solve it. So I'm trying to see if this one will also be solved, because this one I want to change it because of the lines. I tried the DisplayPort cable and it didn't work. For this monitor it worked, for this it didn't work. I changed the port, did everything, but it seems that's what is going on. So what I'll have to do now is to just open it up and then try and see if I can use the solution tape trick to solve the issue. So let's go. So to remove this portion, I just twist it and then open. And just have to get to the board. I'm going to screw on there. Hold up. Then pull it out. It's time to open it up, and first you need to have a tool set like this to pry the edges to open it easily. In order to pry it open, the edges here are the corners, both left and right. So you can start from one side, you pull it this way, then it turns off, then you move all the way. So as you can see, it's open. So that's the easiest way to get to the board. Method to see if I can get an image. So yeah. So what I need to do is to take out the TCON board and then show you which part to tackle. So we take it out. Check if there's no, yeah. So after taking out the TCON board, this is what we have, and what we're actually looking for here. So we are looking for this particular one, this one. So this is connected to the board, and just here, this is what we are looking for. And so I just grab a tweezer and then I pull it out. So yes, so now I have pulled it out. As you can see, it's no longer available. Go back to fixing it to see how it works. So I connect So and then connect it back to the PC. Let's see. That is the board. So this is the TCON board and this is the main board. So mine idea most of the time is to block either one section. So usually the transmission comes from here to here and then onto the screen, but sometimes the lines are defective. So my idea is to just try and see if one of them will work, and let's see how it goes. So I'm removing the right portion, and then connecting the PC. So let's see if so nothing is showing. So then turn it off. Then the right side, and turn it on again. So I can see an image. Yeah. So that's good news. So as you can see, now I'm having a white image on my right, and there's no image on the left. Yeah, so then I'm seeing an image on my left and then there's no image on my right. So let's see. Yeah, at least we can move forward because we are seeing that there's something going on. And I'm seeing something to check the connection. Just plug it in again. Yeah, so says I should check. There's no connection. I should check and see. So at least we have we made some progress. And so the next thing to do is to do a trial and error on the connection. So trial and error on these parts of the bring it. So trial and error on these parts of the tape so that we'll see if it comes on or off. So let me get my Scotch tape and then we continue. Okay, so I've got some Scotch tape and I'm going to just do trial and error because I don't have tools to check continuity mode from here and here. So let's see how things go. So in my past video, which link is above, I think I tried from all the way from right to left to somewhere in the middle. So let's see if that will work. So let's see. Yep. Guess it was too much. So turn it off, turn it on again, and yeah, so you can see that so I'm trying to check. Yeah, so display port. So since the default one is the display port 2, let me try and see if I can connect a display port cable to that side. Yeah, so display port. So so there I go. Yeah. So it's connected now. You can see there's a display port information. So that's it. At least we are making progress. Yeah. Okay, so in my past video, I did it for 11 pins. 11 pins. So I'm going to try to do the same for this one, but it will be trial and error till I get to where I can get to, and then that's it. So after connecting everything, this is what I'm getting. This is the best I can get. So the monitor is working. You can see from your left hand side it's okay, and it becomes gradually worse till get to the right hand side. So I'm trying to see if maybe an update will change the whole thing or not. So after doing trial and error, I realized that when it is facing this way and then you turn it, so from counting 6 pins, so you count 6 pins, so from the 7th pin you block about 8 or 9 of the pins with a Scotch tape, and then it functions. So this is you can see the Scotch tape here and here being blocked. So I insert it, so let's see. So now, so we can see now. So as we can see, everything is showing up now. The lines have vanished, but you can see that there are some lines there, but at least it's better this way than the first one. So let me just reduce it or rotate it for viewing. So yeah, so as you can see, so everything works fine now. Yeah, so that is it. At least I can use this monitor better. So yeah, everything seems to work fine. use my mouse and go wherever I want. So yeah, everything. So just as you can see, there are thin lines in, but it's better than not having a screen, and it's also okay, better for you to use. So all in all, it's nice. So I guess my purchase was worth it. I bought it for 50 euros, and the original price was 1,400 euros. So that's a good bargain. So it's now time for me to fix everything back, and let's see how things go. So I fixed the sleeve previously, and yeah, how's this? So bracket since it's turned upside down. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So there we go. So yeah, everything is neat. These can be seen, but as you go, you can see the thin lines, there, but it's okay. If you found value in this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with your friends who are also in need. Until the next one, bye for now.